friends, it's Lindsay from Penny Embroidery, and I am here to show you how to use our envelope applique files. So the first thing you'll want to do after downloading and unzipping the file completely is to open the PDF instructions, install the BX font, and then go ahead and open the BE file in the size that you want to use. I've opened here the bow pennant in the 7-inch size. It's going to come just like this with the name here, and since you've already installed the font, it'll be preloaded and ready to type. So the whole goal that I had when creating these files is that you would be able to open the design, type, save, and stitch. Super easy. No worrying about the positioning of the text or anything. I've already done that for you. So what you'll want to do is go ahead and click on the text to select it. You can also select it here on the menu bar. And then right here on the side, on the bottom right, you can go ahead and type in whatever text you want to use. And I have Stitch Artist level 3, but you can do this in any of the Embrilliance programs, even the free version. So I'm going to go ahead and type a name. I'm using all caps because this is an all caps font. Once I've typed the name, I can just click outside of the envelope, just click somewhere else on the screen, and it'll automatically snap into place, which is super awesome. If you're ready to go, all you need to do is click File, and then you're going to save your stitch file as, and then select your machine format. If you want to do any additional editing after that, if you want to change the colors or whatever, you're going to want to open the stitch file that you just saved and not mess with this BE file that I've given you in the download. This is your main file that you want to work out of, so you want to try and keep it the way it is and save as anything that you want to later edit. I have most of the elements in this design locked, so you can't accidentally mess anything up. So yeah, once you've saved your stitch file, then you can open that in whatever software you have and make any changes you need to. But the purpose of this file is to allow you to change the text to whatever you want. Let me show you something else that's kind of neat. So over here in the properties for text, you can use the straight line, and that's just for one line of text. And say you want to do something with 2, go ahead, click on your text, and then right here the 3 lines, and we can do something else. So our first line of text, hit enter, second line of text, and again all you have to do is just click outside of the box and it'll automatically snap into place. So this is really cool. I love that Embrilliance has given us these great tools to create things like envelopes and really lets us make unique designs here. If you have any questions, you can reach out through the contact form on our website, or please do join my Facebook group. It's Penny Embroidery fan group, and I hope you enjoy using these fun envelope designs.